welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra for those of you who are new, and for those of you who are back, then welcome back. Today I'm with a very special guest, my husband Peter.
Hey, what's up you guys?
So I received a lot of requests on Instagram, literally on an empty cup of I did mention that I had a virgin Michelada, no beer of course because I'm pregnant. So my lovely husband was the one that made it for me. So he's gonna explain to you what ingredients are needed for this bomb drink.
So it's a very basic Michelada. I mean, I'm sure most of you guys know how to make them, but since it's a non-alcoholic, I'm using mineral water, topo chico, chamoy, tajin. I like to use sea salt, but you can use regular salt, and of course clamato and lime.
Yeah, I think the main ingredient or the main mineral water for this would be this one, because he's made it with Perrier water before and it doesn't have like that spice that this one gives it.
Yeah, so these Mexican mineral waters are like really strong compared to the other ones. So this one, or I forgot what the other one's called, but it's another Mexican one. They're like very strong, so it makes it kind of taste better.
Oh, the Jarritos one?
The Jarritos
yeah,
one.
that one
there
too.
Go.
Okay.
That one's very strong, so I feel like they taste better. So should we proceed?
Go ahead. So what do you do first?
So first I put the clamatos probably like quarter of the way.
And we eyeball everything in this household, so you'll see it's just maybe, I want to say a little bit less than half the cup, because obviously this is what's going to give your drink the flavor since there's no beer in it.
So for the lime, I mean this lime is kind of big, so I put half for each. And I always like to double squeeze my limes.
Yes, I love lemon or anything sour, so it definitely comes through.
And your limes still have juice.
And you can add less or more depending how sour you like it, but it doesn't taste sour at all. It's just pretty good. And then
so the sea salt, it's just like a pinch of salt, not much. That should be enough.
Yeah, literally a pinch.
Tajin, pues al gusto.
Completely to taste, because the tajin has salt already, so.
And then the chamoy, just like a couple drops, just to give it the taste, a little bit of chamoy. And then throw some ice. I think I should have put the ice first.
So now that we have our ice.
So now just the mineral water.
Ooh.
See how gassy it is? Give it a little stir.
That is so good. And it's so hot. It's perfect for this weather. It's perfect for us pregnant women that cannot have any other.
So I just want to give it a nice stir.
And it's all done. Ready for his pregnant wife. Cheers, baby.
It tastes
that
good.
Is so good. I was craving this ever since we said we were gonna film this video today, so I highly recommend it to you guys. Get your man to do it for you and you sit back and relax. Or you can make it yourself. It's super easy.
But yes, síganme para más recetas.
Alright ladies, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what other recipes you want us to bring to you next time.
See you guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.